Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to bring you part 8 of our Japanese quiz series. We've got 10 brand new questions to test your Japanese skills and help you learn something new. Whether you've been with us since part 1 or this is your first time here, grab a pen and paper and get ready to challenge yourself. Let's see how many you can get right today. Are you ready? Let's jump straight into question 1. What is the past tense of kaku? 1. Kakimasu. 2. Kaida. 3. Kaku. The correct answer is option 2, kaida. What is kilo in English? 1. Red. 2. Yellow. 3. Blue. The correct answer is option 2, yellow. How do you say quiet in Japanese? 1. Urusai. 2. Shizuka. 3. Hayai. The correct answer is option 2, Shizuka. What is the English word for yoru? 1. Morning. 2. Night. 3. Afternoon. The correct answer is option 2, night. What does ashita mean? 1. Today. 2. Tomorrow. 3. Yesterday. The correct answer is option 2, tomorrow. Which one means fuyu? 1. Spring. 2. Winter. 3. Fall. The correct answer is option 2, winter. What is tomodachi in English? 1. Teacher. 2. Friend. 3. Enemy. The correct answer is option 2, friend. How do you say good night in Japanese? 1. Oyasumi nasai. 2. Konbanwa. 3. Konnichiwa. The correct answer is option 1, oyasumi nasai. What does ame mean in English? 1. Snow. 2. Rain. 3. Cloud. The correct answer is option 2, rain. Which one means haru? 1. Spring. 2. Summer. 3. Winter. The correct answer is option 1, spring. Awesome work, everyone. How many questions did you get right this time? Let us know your score in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're doing and which questions were your favorite. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes and helpful Japanese learning tips. Thank you so much for watching, and keep up the amazing progress on your Japanese journey. See you in the next video.